so much BCB subscribe to your boy Steven. Look, if you guys see in the title down below how to make a V10 Lamborghini sound, it's very easy, guys. What the fuck? Hold up. See, isn't me on my Chromebook? You're like fucking up. But look, guys. So there's 3 steps into it. You need an empty can. You need your voice. And you need your tongue. So what you gotta do? See this? Got an empty can, right? So what I'm about to do, guys, is this. Trying to hear that? Make sure it's empty, right? And so after that, what you do is this. Make sure it's not wet and shit. You see that little piece right here? Take that bitch off. And make sure you see, like, make a little visible line. Crush it down. But don't do no damage to the can in any way. See how it's still good, right? A little more. So now at that point, guys, what you do, when you go, bottom lip, on the bottom, top lip right here. And after that, you go, you know, like with your tongue or, you know. And when you guys do that, oh shit, when you guys do that, it'll be easier. It'll mix it with the echo with the can, and it's gonna make it sound like it. So also, hold it from here, you know, and then when you make the sound, your tongue is flickering off the of your teeth, right? You know. So after that, it's just easy. Hold up, guys. I gotta fucking sort that out. But look. So I'm about to show you. Crush, finger. And those are the easy steps how to make the sound of the V10 Lamborghini. Catch you guys in the next video. Stay up. And look, like this video, subscribe, turn on post notification, leave a comment down below, you can shout out at the end of the video. Peace.